Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is the day to post something about Valentine's for the hashtag You Make My Heart Pop collab hosted by Life with Patti. Hi Patti, and Kathy's Favorite Things. Hi Kathy. What I thought I would share with you today is a little gift that I'm putting together for our son and daughter-in-law, Jake and Kaylee, and our grandkids that live here in town. Our grandkids that live in Colorado, Porter and Monroe, are coming on Thursday. We'll be having a fun little celebration when they get here this weekend. So I want to share with you just what I'm going to put together for the kids. I'm going to put it together hopefully pretty quickly and go drop it off at their house since they're not home right now, and I can just set it somewhere in their living room and they can find it when they come home. So I was inspired by Pinterest, of course, to do something along the like we love you loads and just fill up a fun little dump truck. So I found this Tonka truck. We've been wanting to get our grandson, our only grandson, a dump truck for a while. That he loves playing out in the dirt in the backyard, as they do, and so we thought this would be really fun for him to have. So I'm going to take this truck out of the packaging, and then I'm going to fill the loader part with some fun stuff. They love gummy bears, both the regular and the sour. So I picked up a couple bags of gummy bears for them. And then something for Zoe, since she loves LOL right now. So I found this little color changing, and she loves anything color changing. So I found this little goodie at Target. And I went to Target for basically most of this stuff. I did get this from CVS when I was in there, but the rest of it came from Target. And then they take baths every night for the most part. So we're always getting in bubble baths. I found that. So another little Zoe thing, but you know, they could share. And then it is already sunscreen season over here in California, guys. We've had some warm days already, and so the kids really need to get blasted with sunscreen every time they go outside. So I got that for them. And then they love Pop-Its. And then I found this at Target, letters and numbers Pop-Its. I don't know, that just looks pretty cool. So got that. And then they love popcorn, so I got this cookies and cream popcorn to stick in there. And then I was at the bakery the other day, our local bakery. These two really fun cookies, so I'm going to package those up. And I have a couple of bags here and some ribbon, and so I'm going to put those in there. And then I got them a little gift card as well. So let me go ahead and put everything together. All right, here it is. That took me about 5 minutes to put together. So I just put some of this red and white shred down here, and then just kind of loaded everything in there just like that. Added a couple of these little felt hearts for decoration. I have a card here that I made them, that I put the gift card in. I'm just going to stick that right there, and we wish them loads of fun on Valentine's. I'm sure that they're going to have lots of fun, and so I'm going to go over to their house right now and drop this off. Thank you to Kathy and Patti for hosting this hashtag You Make My Heart Pop Happy Valentine's Day post today. It's going to be so fun to see what everyone else is doing for Valentine's, and to see all the wonderful treats that they're putting together for families and what they're creating in their craft rooms. Have a wonderful and happy Heart Day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.